oganda e pacho ka. Kaudhi nyime ne piny owacho singo mar daro sikunde moko ma oula mapek ne oketho e kaunti ma Tana River. Jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Machogu mane otimo limbe sikunde e sub county ma Tana Delta oyango ne piny owacho kokalo kuom migawo mar somo oseketo tenge omenda mar loso kendo bende e daro sikunde mane oula omuomo e sub county no maromo sikunde 22 pine omuomo gima oserocho somo makare e sikunde go. E kaunti mamoko bende sirkal ne osingo loso sikunde mamoko ma pi oula ne omuomo gino ma kata kamano pok otimore nyaka sani.
We have also provided 8,060,000 to the national government CDF, which Mheshimiwa, I'm sure you will be getting any time in this financial year for Garisen constituency as a conditional grant for constructing more classrooms. This amount will be matched by the national government CDF to bring it to a total of 16,121,000 for improving infrastructure in schools in this sub-county. Walimu nimesikia na nimeona upungufu hapa, iko upungufu wa 297 teachers, and progressively as we recruit, we undertake that we will be able to give you more teachers in this sub-county and in the county of Tana River.
Yeye ameomba president wale watu wameadhiriwa na floods na manyumba zao zimeharibiwa, wao wenyewe wamekuwa displaced, wamehama makwao na wanakaa kwa mlima. President amenidirect nitafute njia za kununulia mabati so that waweze kujenga nyumba zao ambayo iko safe na iko mbali na sehemu zinaadhiriwa na maji.
Tumekuwa affected by floods. Shule nyingi imeathirika. Saa hii shule 22 wako kwa camps waziri. Waziri MPS Kelo ametuletea mabati, shule nyingi imetengenezwa kwa camps temporarily na manyumba imetengenezwa. Lakini challenge yetu ni kubwa. Tunataka Teachers Training College hapa Tana River ambaye ni hapa Garsen. Si ni kweli?